How to get unbanned from the Wizz app. So for the reasons on why people get banned in Wizz is age verification issues, inappropriate content, even by mistake, spam-like behavior, too many reports from other people to you, breaking community rules. They should provide that, and you can see for yourself, or using VPNs or suspicious devices. So there are a few working ways that could recover your account. So first, you're gonna have to appeal the ban through the app. You can open your Wizz app, and on the ban screen, you should be able to see that, and you'll see an appeal option. You can write a polite explanation and attach any proof that you didn't do anything wrong. So don't blame the app, of course. Explain it was an error if it was, and promise to follow the guidelines next time. Then, if you want to go ahead and try emailing with support directly, you can just go to their Gmail. You should be able to find it in their contact us option. So include your username, your email, or phone link to the account, and then a short explanation on your appeal. Basically explain that you did nothing wrong, if you did nothing wrong. If you did accidentally do something wrong, then you're gonna have to appeal for that and try to fix it as well. For example, if it was your age, you're gonna have to fix your age verification problems. If Wiz did ban you because it was somewhat a wrong age, you can submit a valid ID. Once you get banned, you will be able to see what reason you did get banned for, so you can just go ahead and try fixing that as soon as possible. So you can wait for a period, since Wiz has two types of bans, which is a soft ban and a hard ban. So a soft ban can last 24 to 72 hours. These can be caused by spam, too many swipes, and mass reporting, but it does clear automatically. But a hard ban, that's what you're gonna have to appeal for. So it's only removed if support approves your appeal. So what does not work is by using a VPN, making a new account, changing emails, spamming supports, or using fake IDs. So Wiz system will detect this. So the best chance to get unbanned is to send an appeal plus an email support and fix your age verification. So that is what gets the most successful unbans. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.